What's happening, YouTubers? When you press the lock button on your phone, it makes a clicking sound. If you wish to stop that clicking sound, or if you indeed want to turn it on, here's how you do it. Go to Settings, then scroll down to Sound and Haptics, which is just here. Scroll down again, and you will see Lock Sound. Simply slide to the left if you want to turn off the lock sound. Slide to the right if you wish to enable it. Once you return to your home page, it will be enabled and you will no longer hear the lock sound, or if you did want to hear the lock sound, it will be enabled. So, in a nutshell, that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. There are many more videos coming out, and it's been a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.